Hey everyone, I'm here to introduce you to yet another addition to our innovative family of ceramic products, ceramic liquid wax. The ultimate solution for achieving an unrivaled shine and long-lasting protection for your vehicle's paint. Your vehicle's exterior deserves nothing but the best. With this revolutionary product, you can achieve a level of gloss, color, and depth that's truly unmatched. But it's not just about appearance, it's also about protection. Griot's Garage Ceramic Liquid Wax is formulated with leading-edge SiO2, resin, and silane polymer technology. This advanced formula combines forces to create a sacrificial barrier that shields your paint from the harshest elements. Another valuable feature is its non-abrasive, pure protective formula. It won't leave white residue on moldings or trim, guaranteeing a flawless finish with no stubborn cleanup. Griot's Garage Ceramic Liquid Wax is incredibly user-friendly and can be applied effortlessly by hand or with a random orbital. Prior to application, always be sure the vehicle is clean, cool, and dry. Thoroughly decontaminate the paint and give it a quick wipe down with Surface Prep Cleanser for optimal results. For hand application, butter an entire red foam wax pad face or microfiber applicator evenly and focusing on one panel at a time, apply in straight line motions using light pressure with methodical overlapping passes. To apply with a random orbital, also use a red foam wax pad, evenly buttered and with your orbital set at speed 2 to 3. Work a small section at a time using light pressure and overlapping passes. Whichever method you choose, be sure to reapply the product to your pad face as necessary as you move from panel to panel, and do not over-apply. A little goes a long way. For wipe-off, fully saturate a microfiber plush edgeless towel with water, then wring out excess water to leave the towel damp but not dripping. Grab a second dry plush microfiber towel for the final wipe. Allow the wax residue to dwell for 10 minutes, then wipe off the wax residue using the wet towel first. Go over the entire section, then grab your dry plush towel and quickly buff the surface to remove any excess residue. For improved wipe-off, frequently rotate towels and source fresh ones as you work around the vehicle. For maximum durability, allow it to cure for 24 hours before exposure to rain or layering with other products. For maintenance down the road, use ceramic speed shine and ceramic wash and coat to preserve the finish and extend durability even further. Once you've had it applied for a few months, you'll see why we can confidently say that this is the most durable liquid wax we've ever formulated. Its protective barrier lasts through rain, sun, and everything in between, ensuring your vehicle's paint stays in pristine condition for as long as possible. Griot's Garage Ceramic Liquid Wax is not just any wax, it's the pinnacle of automotive care, delivering unmatched gloss, unbeatable protection, and a self-cleaning effect that will keep your vehicle looking amazing and ensure less work for you down the road. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional detailer, we're sure you'll be impressed by this innovative wax's exceptional performance. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.